Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on Lesson 9.8 of Unit 9, Technical Indicators. In this lesson, we're going to cover the Ichimoku Cloud, a comprehensive Japanese indicator that shows trend, support, resistance, and momentum in one. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use the Ichimoku Cloud to improve your trading decisions. Let's get into it. The Ichimoku Cloud is made up of 5 components: Tenkan-san, Kijun-san, Senko-span A, Senko-span B, and Chikou-span. Each component has a specific purpose, and together they provide a comprehensive view of the market. The Tenkan-san and Kijun-san are similar to moving averages, but with a few key differences. The Senko-span A and B form the cloud, which is a key component of the Ichimoku Cloud. The Chikou-span is used to confirm the trend direction. The cloud, also known as the Kumo, is formed by the Senko-span A and B. The cloud is a key component of the Ichimoku Cloud and is used to determine the trend direction. When the price is above the cloud, it is considered bullish, and when the price is below the cloud, it is considered bearish. The cloud is also used to determine the strength of the trend, with a thicker cloud indicating stronger support and resistance. The thickness of the cloud is also an important factor to consider. A thicker cloud indicates stronger support and resistance, while a thinner cloud indicates weaker support and resistance. This is because a thicker cloud is formed by a greater distance between the Senko-span A and B, indicating a stronger trend. A thinner cloud, on the other hand, is formed by a smaller distance between the Senko-span A and B, indicating a weaker trend. The Tenkan/Kijun cross is another important component of the Ichimoku Cloud. When the Tenkan-sen crosses above the Kijun-san, it is considered a bullish signal, and when the Tenkan-sen crosses below the Kijun-san, it is considered a bearish signal. This is similar to a moving average crossover signal, but with a few key differences. The Tenkan/Kijun cross is used to confirm the trend direction and to generate buy and sell signals. The Chikou-span is used to confirm the trend direction. Is the current close price plotted 26 periods back? When the Chikou-span is above the cloud, it confirms a bullish trend, and when the Chikou-span is below the cloud, it confirms a bearish trend. The Chikou-span is an important component of the Ichimoku Cloud and is used to generate buy and sell signals. The Ichimoku Cloud is best used on the D1 and W1 charts for long-term trend bias. This is because the Ichimoku Cloud is a comprehensive indicator that takes into account multiple time frames and is most reliable on higher time frames. By using the Ichimoku Cloud on the D1 and W1 charts, you could get a better understanding of the long-term trend direction and make more informed trading decisions. As a beginner, it's natural to feel overwhelmed by the Ichimoku Cloud. It may look complex, but each component has a clear and simple purpose. Don't be afraid to take your time to learn and understand each component, and practice using the Ichimoku Cloud on different charts and time frames. With time and practice, you'll become more comfortable using the Ichimoku Cloud and making informed trading decisions. Now it's your turn to practice using the Ichimoku Cloud. Add the Ichimoku Cloud to the Euro to US dollar D1 chart and identify where the price is relative to the cloud. Is the price above or below the cloud? Is the cloud thick or thin? What does the Tenkan/Kijun cross indicate? By answering these questions, you'll get a better understanding of how to use the Ichimoku Cloud to make informed trading decisions. Let's take a look at an example of the Ichimoku Cloud in action. As you can see, the price is above the cloud, indicating a bullish trend. The Tenkan/Kijun cross is also bullish, confirming the trend direction. The Chikou-span is above the cloud, further confirming the bullish trend. By using the Ichimoku Cloud, you can get a comprehensive view of the market and make more informed trading decisions. One common mistake that beginners make when using the Ichimoku Cloud is to rely too heavily on the Tenkan/Kijun cross. While the Tenkan/Kijun cross is an important component of the Ichimoku Cloud, it should not be used in isolation. Instead, you should consider the entire Ichimoku Cloud, including the cloud, the Chikou-span, and the Tenkan/Kijun cross, to get a comprehensive view of the market. That is everything for Lesson 9.8, Ichimoku Cloud. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.